Out here, feeding opportunities are always few and far between, and they never last long. Prey is devoured within minutes. When it's all over, the hunters must resume their endless search. Frigate birds, the pirates of the high seas. Frigates must be so lightweight that they can't afford the heavy oils that waterproof the plumage of other seabirds. So getting wet would be lethal. This may seem an impossible limitation for a seafaring hunter, but frigate birds overcome this handicap with help from others. Dorado, one of the fastest and most voracious of ocean predators. They patrol close to the surface, searching for prey. Little fish try to hide amidst the undulating swell of the ocean, the only cover there is. It's a game of hide and seek, played out amongst the waves. Their cover blown, escape seems impossible. But these particular fish have a unique ability. They're flying fish. With an extra thrust from their tails, the flying fish get airborne once more. With a good wind, they can glide for hundreds of meters. But this is just what the frigate birds have been waiting for. If the flying fish get too much lift, they become easy prey for the frigates. If they dive to evade attack from above, they could fall into the mouths of the Dorado. With the help of the Dorado, the wily frigate bird has become a flying fish specialist. And without getting a single feather wet.